When you are struggling, when you are suffering, when something's gone wrong in your life, it is a blessing of Allah. The port of call is that you change your life in a positive way by connecting with Allah more than you have been. If your problem did not prod you to getting up at night when everyone was asleep to cry to Allah, then it's not yet a problem. It's not yet a problem. Allah will squeeze you further. You know why? He loves you. He wants you to do something. He wants to invite you to an act of worship that is fulfilled by invite only. That is tahajjud. Allah invites those whom He loves to that prayer. And sometimes the invitation is through squeezing you until you realize, I have to. I will get up, I will cry, I will ensure that I cry and shed tears and beg Allah and continue to beg Allah until He gives me what I want. And I promise you, Allah is all hearing.